Good day, everyone. Welcome to Israel Simplified Farm, where we do give out farming information. Now, today I'll be talking on these two things that you are seeing here. I think maybe some of you might know of this stuff. Some of you might know of it, but maybe most of you might not still know of it. Also, the name is called Tajiri. Tajiri, that is a Tagiri, that is Tajiri, but the English name it is called Christmas melon. Christmas melon. Now, this Christmas melon is a very unique plant. You get that does a lot of things. So in case you are doing organic, you will know what I'm talking. It is for poultry farmers majorly. It is for poultry farmers. Now, with this your tajiri, you can use it in controlling Newcastle disease in poultry, and also your avian influenza in your poultry. You can use this in preventing it organically, not synthetically. Some people might ask, how am I going to do this thing? Okay, let me just tell you how you can prepare your tajiri for your poultry beds, because with this you can use it to stop and control viruses. It is very, very strong, as you are seeing it, very, very strong. Tajiri is the name. So all what you need to do is to get like 1 kg of your Christmas melon, which is this. You get your weighing scale, you measure it to get your 1 kg of what? Your Christmas melon. Now, once you've done that, you will need to peel off this back, like the way you do peel orange. Now just imagine this is your orange. So like the way you do peel your orange, that is how you are going to peel this stuff. Then the next thing, you get 2 liters of your clean water. Your water should not have any dirt. Clean water. Now you pour that 2 liters of water into container. Then the next thing, after you've peeled off this green back, the inside is white, just like your orange. You chop it off. Then after chopping it off, you pour it into that container that you have measured 2 liters of water. Then after chopping off, after you've peeled off this green back, you chop it off and pour it inside the 2 liters of the water that you've measured. Then you ferment it. You soak it inside the water. Then you ferment it for 7 days. But you use a breathable net to cover the container so that air can actually flow in. So that air can actually flow in. Then from the first day to that 7th day, you'll be using like a wooden spoon, or you can make use of this spatula that they use in baking gari, to be turning it every 12 hours. Every 12 hours, you'll be turning your fermented tajiri inside the 2 liters of water for that 7 days. Then after the 7 days, since it has reached the 7 days, now you get the fermented tajiri with the 2 liters of water. Then you blend it. Now after you finished blending it, your vaccine is ready, because your tajiri is used in place of Lasota vaccine. You get this. It is very, very powerful. As you're seeing it, it is very, very powerful when you are into organic. This one is for organic. Organic. Then you might ask, since my vaccine is ready, or what I can use to control and prevent my Newcastle disease in my poultry bed, and what I can actually use to prevent avian influenza organically, since you've prepared it, how can I administer this thing to my bed like the dosage? It is very simple. Just get 30 ml to your 1 liters of water and use it for 5 days. Use it for 5 days for treatment. But if you don't want to use it for treatment, you want to use it for prevention, then get 20 ml of water, 20 ml of your tajiri, the fermented one, and add it to 1 liters of water. That one is for prevention purpose. So you've seen how this thing is great in poultry. Tajiri, Christmas melon. It is very, very effective. It is very, very effective because things like your virus diseases in poultry, this is the cure. It prevents it. You see? So this is what I said I should let you guys know. Then please don't forget, you don't use it for laying beds, like layers. When you see that your layers have started laying, please don't use it for them. It is not good for your laying beds when they are laying. So this is what I said I should share with you guys today. And please, if you know the video was helpful, please help me and like, share, and comment. And also don't stop following us on all our social media platforms. Israel Simplified Farm. That is the name. We are on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. We are there. Thank you guys for watching, and please help us and share. Help me and share this video so that it can get to so many persons that are in need of this information. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you another wonderful day. Bye bye.